What's going on, YouTube? So, after watching a bunch of videos of squealing gaming chairs and none of them mentioning one specific detail, I took the liberty to investigate, given the fact that I have an automotive technician background, and it shouldn't be that hard to figure it out. So, I took apart my gaming chair. That's my gaming chair right there. Excuse the mess in the room. Okay, I was having problems every time you rock it back and forward. I had this screeching noise coming from the bottom, so I started by lubricating all the shifting points underneath the seats and stuff. The base, took it apart, put a little lube in there. Still was having the problem. I was looking at this guy right here. Let me turn on my light real quick. I was looking at that guy right there, and that's when my light bulb came on. And if you take this base off, the head of that screw right there is on the top. And I just happened to spray a little lube in there, and little do you know, the screeching went away. So if you're having problems with a gaming chair being a little bit too screechy when you rock it back and forward, take this base off and spray that little thing up there. And let me know in the comments if that fixed your problem.